Today Aish is riding. God help us all.
Small river flowing, and like we can actually camp over here, get some snack, camp with your friends.
So we are on the way to our second hotel, which is right next to ISBT bus stand. You will find all the buses from every state here. It is little congested area.
We have checked into our second hotel in Dehradun. It's near ISTB. It's a small room with a double bed and one attached bathroom. There is nothing extraordinary about this room. We chose this hotel because it was very close to ISTB and our trek starts from ISTB. Transportation for our trek is from ISTB.
Whoever said traveling is easy, it's not. We have to go in search of many places in this dust, sun, but we enjoy it, right?
We love doing it.
Most of the time. So we are in this wheel to go bike rental. It is near Royal Darbar restaurant. Outlet on. So we are on the way to Maldevta waterfall. We have crossed the city, and Maldevta waterfall is around 20 kilometers from ISBT bus stand, Dehradun, and we are going in scooty.
Bikes from Dehradun, and they only give you one helmet. So if you're two people, you better carry one more spare helmet with you, because after requesting them a lot also, they didn't have spare helmet with them. They said only one bike, one helmet.
Yeah.
So you should be aware of this. On the way to Maldevta, there are many rivers, but right now it's all dried up because it's summer over here. It's not very hot, but it's not humid actually.
Yeah, it's kind of hot when you drive in these valleys. As you go up the mountains, it gets colder. On the way to Maldevta from Dehradun, you will find this river side where there is little water on this during this season, that is April season, where you can camp. There are a lot of people camping, there are a lot of people playing in water because it's just a little water. I think 4 people are trekking there, see?
Yeah.
Help to
See
save
there, they're walking.
So we are on Maldevta road and we wanted to go to Maldevta waterfalls.
But we can't find.
It was supposed to be here, but there's nothing. There is not even a steep hill or nothing. Few people who have come in search of the same thing, but even they are lost. We asked few people, even they don't have any idea of it. So most probably there is no waterfall as such. Maybe it's there during the rainy season. The way leading to this is very beautiful, and it's a good drive. And today Aish is riding. God help us all. No, Aish is a good rider. Aish is a good rider.
I'm riding from almost 10 years. We didn't find any waterfall, so we thought let's explore this place. Today I'll be doing some motor vlogging and I'm super excited about this. It's always Tej talking behind the camera when he's driving, but today it's me. Even though we didn't find any waterfall, this entire stretch is really beautiful. These Maldevta farms, they have this small river flowing, and like we can actually camp over here, get some snack, camp with your friends. It will be a really great time. It's my first experience riding in these valleys and I'm super excited and thrilled. So the weather right now over here is really cool. It's very pleasant, not very cold, not very hot, like perfect weather for a long ride. I'm just enjoying the ride in this valley. It is one of the best things of this trip, I can say that. Now we are in highway entering the Dehradun city. In Dehradun city there is one very famous momo place. A localite suggested us we must visit this place because it has best Pahadi momos, and I am a diehard momo fan, so I wanted to try this place. Now we'll go there and eat some delicious momos.
Came in BlaBlaCar, so the guy from I forgot his name, so he suggested this place called Tulsi. I'll leave a link in the description, and they are famous for their mutton momos. As you can see how fast they roll their momos. They make around 2000 to 3000 momos per day.
So I tried this mutton momos from Tulsi Bhojanalaya, and it is one of the best mutton momos I've ever eaten. It's very juicy, tender, flavorful from inside, and the chutney is like super spicy. With the momos, it's the best combination. And we also ordered tukka. Tukka is okay, it's not very great or something. It's okay, but the quantity is really good. Apart from that, with momos, they even serve a small quantity of soup. Even that was like super delicious. Entire momo plate with 8 pieces of momos and small quantity of soup costed us just 70 rupees. So that is really cheap.
So we are back to our hotel. We could not explore more of Dehradun. Packing is going on. So stay tuned for the next video. So one of our helmet is stuck in this Activa 5G which we have rented.
I don't know what to do. Abracadabra.
Hey! How did you open?
This mechanism.
I was about to take the screw and all, you know. He was telling you have to take the screw off.
Let's explore.